Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a collective haul from like 500 different places. I have home decor, I have fashion, I have in between, and yeah, so if you're interested in what I picked up for spring and summer, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have things from Amazon, Target, Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Kohl's, and I think that covers it. So some of this stuff I picked up quite a while ago for my bedroom refresh. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll link it below. I planned on doing a bedroom refresh for just temporarily for our master bedroom here at our apartment because we don't plan on being here much longer, so I didn't want to do anything too crazy, but I have always hated it, so I kind of revamped it, and I was going to make a before and after video for you guys. I don't know if I'm going to have time for that, or if you guys would just rather wait and see like a bedroom reveal when we buy our house, our future house. Fingers crossed that that's on the horizon, the immediate horizon. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated if anything happens, but yeah, so I did get a few things for that I just hadn't like put in there yet, and one of them, this is from Amazon. It is this throw blanket. It's very soft. For my bedroom, I was kind of going for that black and white boho feel, and this is perfect for that. So it's very light. I got this on a flash sale for like $9. And then I also bought this set of 3 like cactus and succulents. I had to put these together, but they're copper, so you know I was obsessed. I was immediately drawn. You get the 3 of them and the white rocks that come in it. The white rocks are shiny. They're not like the dusty ones from Dollar Tree that like make you want to scream. The first one is this cactus, and I just put these together, so I need to finesse them a little bit, but that's what this one looks like. This one is like a taller sort of aloe or succulent, and then this one as well. What's cool about these, if I can find the cool thing about these, is that it comes with this little booklet of stickers that you can put on the cans to dress them up. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like because I haven't put them on yet. And so they give you like a bunch of different ones to choose from. They all say things, and you get the mini black ones and like the skinnier white ones. They're very cool. They're that kind of like minimalistic kind of look, and they all say inspirational things. So I got that. I may not even use them in the bedroom. I might put them on the shelf that's up here. I think for summer I really want to do like that black and white boho, and like a little bit of like tropical mixed in. We'll see. I don't usually decorate for summer, but I'm like so bored waiting for fall decor to come back around that like I have to do something in the meantime. So I got those from Amazon, and then the last thing that I got from Amazon, this is going to be a twofer, okay? If you don't know what a twofer is, it's 2 for 1. I got these really gorgeous peonies. These are like in a white color, and I have kind of talked about these peonies on my channel before, so if you are new or you didn't see that video, I made a bridal bouquet for my boyfriend's sister to use at her rehearsal dinner because I just wanted her to have a bouquet so that she could like, you know, rehearse with it and not have to use like her real bouquet. So I made her the bouquet. I used these. I used a bunch of Dollar Tree stuff. I put succulents in it. It was so pretty. She's doing a fiesta, kind of like Spanish themed wedding, and she loved it so much that she's like, I want these as my flowers. I was like, okay, so she has 11 bridesmaids, so we had to make 11 bouquets. But anyways, these are the flowers that I used. I got them for myself in just white, but I've seen them in every single color that they come in, and they're all gorgeous. And you get 6 of the really pretty, like, fluffy, like, full flowers, and then you get 2 little buds. You can see right here, and then it comes with this stuff sticking out as well. Each color comes with a different kind of stuff, and I just put a few of my own little things. These are just from Dollar Tree, but anyways, I love these flowers. And then if you guys have been keeping up with my community tab, I just posted the boutonnieres that we made, so I'll insert a picture of that here. A lot of you have been requesting to see like all the like wedding stuff that I help people with, because I do a lot of that. I mean, like, I'm not getting married. That would be crazy, right, babe, if I got married? Babe, that would be crazy if we got engaged, right? He has his noise canceling headphones on. So anyways, I have a lot of friends and family who are getting married, and I'm helping all of them. So yeah, these are from Amazon for $10. And if you guys want to see that wedding stuff, I'll try to start making videos on it. I could literally make a wedding playlist longer than anybody else's in the world, because every friend is getting married. My boyfriend is a wedding videographer. I'm getting married. Oh wait, no, I'm not. Oh, and then the reason why this is a twofer is because I also picked up this. I was looking for the perfect pitcher to put flowers in, and I found this one at Target. This is the Threshold brand. It's tall and substantial. It has a really pretty like slim handle, and did I already say it was $14.99? I forget. So there is a spout. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that spout, but this is really cute. This has been sitting on my dining table for the past like few weeks. I used it for my Easter decor, and that's all I got from Amazon and Target. Let's move on to Dollar Tree. I found this really cute doormat. I actually showed this in a previous video, and I was so focused on like getting footage at the store and showing you guys the different mats that they had that I forgot to get it, so I was really happy to see it there. They have this in like 3 different colors, but it's all variations of like gray, dark gray, medium gray, light gray, and it's very skinny, but it feels really nice for being just $1, and we desperately need a new doormat. But fingers crossed that we're not going to be at this apartment for too much longer. And I didn't want to replace our doormat with something nice and then get rid of it just to move to a new house. So I'm not going to take a dirty doormat with me to my future home. If it's out there, universe, please show me that it's out there somehow. But so yeah, I just got this for the meantime. And this is super cute. Like, you would see this definitely at Hobby Lobby. Definitely a little bit bigger, but it's big enough. So I bought it. Threw it in the bag. Okay, now let's move on to KOHLS. I don't have very many summer or spring tops, and I was really putting off getting any because it's been cold up until now in Ohio, and I don't think we're out of the weeds just yet, but this week we're going to have high 50s and 60s, and I don't have anything to wear. So I recently purchased a bunch of like really dressy tops from Nordstrom, and they were really cute, but I ended up returning all of them because I was like, you know what, no. I spent a lot of money, and I'm a Nordstrom girl. I have a Nordstrom problem. I ended up returning all of them because basically my summer uniform is leggings, an oversized t-shirt, a pair of sandals, call it a day. Because you guys know my feelings about spring and summer. Like, I don't really like to be hot. I hate them, you know? So, I just got a couple t-shirts, and I spent like literally $30 on these, and they feel like they're good quality. They feel like they're comfortable. So the first one that I got is this one. It has a little tie at the bottom, and anytime I try to like buy a shirt with a pre-tie, it shows my stomach, and nobody wants to see my stomach. I don't even want to see my stomach, so I was happy that this one is like long and oversized, and the back is even longer, so this is perfect for like leggings. And yeah, so I got it in this charcoal gray. I don't have anything in that color, and I'm the kind of person who, if I find something and I like it and I just know it's going to be a go-to, I buy it in multiple colors. So I also got it in this powder blue, which I don't have anything in this color, so I had to have it. And then the last thing that I got, I did want to get something that I could kind of dress up on the rare occasion that I want to socialize with humans. And so I got this. It's just another t-shirt with like the crisscross, and it has a little bit of lace that dresses it up, or it's like a crocheting. All of these were on sale for like $14, but I had a coupon, and like they had $10 off juniors clothing. Oh yeah, you guys, this is all from the junior section. I typically shop in the misses, but now that I've been working out for like 10 days, I'm a junior. I think I'm forcing that, but whatever. And by the way, thank you to all of you who were just feeding into my delusions when I was joking around about telling me that I'm skinnier. I was 100% kidding, but all of you got it. You were all very supportive, and I appreciate that. And an update video will be coming soon about like my fitness and eating and all of that. And if you're wondering like why I have the hair up and I'm wearing a workout top, it's because I like literally did stuff all day. I went to the gym, I took Chip for a long walk, I went to the store. I didn't feel like changing into anything cute. I'm just kind of like a dirt ball right now. I definitely could use a shower. Definitely. Okay, now let's move on to Walmart. I got some really good stuff at Walmart, you guys. The first two things that I got are 2 new sports bras. I just recently hauled a couple sports bras, but you can never have enough. So I just got this black one, and it has some speckling on it. I don't know if you can see. These are medium impact, and they were only $9. So they do have like a built-in cup in them, which I told you guys before. I really like when they have a built-in cup. It like kind of holds you. I shouldn't have done that. That was like weird. I don't think you guys saw that, but it kind of holds you in a little bit tighter, and it keeps the gym from knowing if you're cold. Sometimes it gets a little cold at the gym, and your body wants to let everyone know that you're cold, but like you don't want that to show, if you catch my drift. And then I got it in this hot neon corally orange. It's kind of looking yellow on camera, but that's just because it's neon. It's a neon orange. And they have like a little dip in the front, like a little sweetheart neckline, to make it kind of cute if you care about that. Okay, down to the last few items. I picked up this candle. This is strawberry pretzel bars. This is like $5, and this is highly talked about in the candle group that I'm in on Facebook. Yes, I'm in a candle group. No, I don't have a life. This smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, it smells like strawberry cheesecake. It is so good, and you're not going to be able to tell, or maybe you can. This has a ton of oil at the top. So sometimes you can, not always, but sometimes you can tell if a candle is going to be strong if you see a lot of like oil in the wax, and you usually see it in candles that come in a jar like this, like Yankee Candles or this brand, which is Better Homes and Gardens. And I think that's because Bath and Body Works might use a different kind of wax than them, but if you see oil, or like at the top if you see liquid, it's a good chance that it's going to be a strong candle. Not always, but a lot of the times. This is so good. I'm going to burn this. I really wanted to burn this afternoon, but I wanted to wait to show you to talk about the oil. So I'm going to burn this after I'm done making this video, and if it's good, I'm going back tomorrow and getting the other 2 that were left. And then for the finale, I got 2 pairs of sandals. I was really going to hold out to rebuy my Tory Burch Miller sandals because Chip chewed them up at like the tail end of the summer last year. And they're very expensive. You guys know this is a budget channel, but I will splurge on a thing here or there. And I was thinking that maybe somebody might want to get me those for our anniversary, June 8th. Might be a good anniversary present. I don't have a single pair of sandals. My dog chewed literally every pair of sandals up last summer. So I was like, let me just get a couple like cheap pairs, but I'm really not, like, I don't really like to wear like the rubber flip-flops. I don't know why. I like to, even though I dress really casual, I like to have it look a little bit more elevated. That's just me. I mean, I will wear those, but I do prefer something a little dressier, like I said. So I found these at Walmart. Okay, these are a dupe for a Steve Madden pair that I literally almost, okay, so Steve Madden came out with a tan pair and a black pair like this last year. They were about $60, and I really wanted them, but they sold out, and I was on the hunt for them this year. I saw them on 6pm.com. They were there was only 1 pair left in my size, and they were on sale for $50, and I was like, should I get it, should I not? I know I'm holding out for my Tory Burch. So when I finally decided, yes, I'm going to get them, they were gone. But freaking Walmart, has them. They're the exact same thing. They're so cute. They're 2 black straps with the pearls around them. And I just can't get over it. I think this style of shoe is very flattering too with the 2 straps. So these were $12.82 and I was gonna spend $50 on them. Were they better quality from Steve Madden? Probably, but the last pair of Steve Madden shoes that I bought, I really did not like. I just sold them on Poshmark. If one of you guys are the ones who purchased those shoes, thank you. But they were just not comfortable for me, and I don't know if these will be, but if they're not comfortable, I'm gonna be happy that I only spent $13 on them. And then the last thing that I got is another pair of sandals. These are in nude, and they're just your basic kind of, I guess this is a thong sandal. They're like a nude patent, and these were only $5.87. These are the color that my Tory Burch Millers were in before Chip chewed them to shreds. And when I bought those sandals, I also bought a purse to match them. So I was like, and I'm like a freak about my purse matching my shoes. It's like a weird thing of mine. So I was like, I need another pair of nude patent sandals. And so when I saw these for like $5 or $6, I was like, let me go ahead and get them. So those, hopefully Chip doesn't chew those up. Hopefully someone takes a hint that I want the Tory Burch Millers for our 4th anniversary. Still has the noise canceling headphones on. So that was my haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Leave comments below letting me know what you want to see. You guys know I struggle a little bit in this spring and summertime because it's just not my time of the year, you know. So it really helps when you guys leave like video requests so I know what you want to see, because I don't know what to make. But yeah, I will leave links to everything that I can in the description box below. And if you have any questions, you can always feel free to leave comments. And I will see you guys back in my next video. Bye, guys. I really do think that my double chin is going down a little bit. In my last video, somebody commented, "Stop turning to the side, we can barely see you." Thank you for that. That really just touched me right here. And then somebody else that called me a skinny legend. That was like, oh, my double chin just came back. That was touching as well. You guys are the best.